Modern English drama underwent a remarkable transformation from the late 19th century onwards, evolving into a platform for exploring realism, psychological complexity, and social critique. Moving away from the grand romanticism and melodrama of earlier theatrical traditions, modern dramatists introduced bold themes, innovative techniques, and fresh perspectives that reshaped the English stage. One of the earliest pioneers of this transformation was George Bernard Shaw, whose plays combined intellectual wit with profound social commentary. Shaw, influenced by Ibsen, crafted what he termed discussion plays, which tackled social issues such as class inequality, gender roles, and morality. Works like Pygmalion and Arms and The Man used humor and sharp dialogue to critique Victorian society, making the audience think rather than just be entertained. As the 20th century progressed, playwrights began to experiment with form and language. T.S. Eliot, a poet and critic, revived poetic drama in an era dominated by prose. His play Murder in the Cathedral brought verse drama back to prominence, combining religious themes with rich poetic expression. Later, The Cocktail Party explored human relationships and existential dilemmas, blending philosophy with theatrical artistry. Meanwhile, the Irish playwright John Millington Synge played a crucial role in shaping modern drama through his association with the Irish literary revival. His most famous work, The Playboy of the Western World, captured the speech and spirit of rural Ireland, blending poetic dialogue with humor and tragedy. Synge's work emphasized naturalism and folklore, bridging traditional storytelling with modern theatrical sensibilities. By the mid-20th century, drama became a medium for expressing post-war disillusionment and existential anxiety. Samuel Beckett, a leading figure of the theater of the absurd, revolutionized modern drama with Waiting for Godot, a play in which two characters wait endlessly for someone who never arrives. Stripped of conventional plot and structure, Beckett's plays conveyed the absurdity of human existence through repetition, pauses, and minimalist settings. Around the same time, Harold Pinter introduced the comedy of menace, where seemingly ordinary dialogues concealed deep psychological tension and power struggles. His plays, such as The Birthday Party and The Caretaker, relied on silences, ambiguous characters, and fragmented communication to create an unsettling theatrical experience. Pinter's work reflected the uncertainties of modern life, where meaning is elusive and power dynamics shift unpredictably. Another groundbreaking playwright of this period was John Osborne, whose play Look Back in Anger, 1956, heralded the rise of the angry young men movement. His protagonist, Jimmy Porter, voiced the frustrations of post-war Britain, railing against the complacency of the upper class and the stagnation of society. Osborne's raw emotional intensity and social critique gave English drama a new voice, resonating with a generation disillusioned by political and economic realities. Modern English drama, shaped by these influential figures, continues to evolve, adapting to new social, political, and artistic challenges. From Shaw's intellectual dialogues to Beckett's existential musings, from Pinter's silences to Osborne's rebellious energy, the modern stage remains a powerful space for reflection, confrontation, and innovation.